Hey everybody, it's Jared. I was nominated to do that 25-day push-up challenge. I'm on day 20. This weekend I had to work, so I got one workout in over the weekend, and I worked on my house over the weekend. Didn't do anything on Sunday, but I did paint on Sunday. But it's Monday, time to get back after it. Yes, this is a good cause. People should not be afraid to speak out about what's going on in their head. It's mental illness is a big thing, you know. People struggle, they just keep it inside, and then when they're keeping it inside, it's not good, you know. Let it out, tell your friends you're having issues, get help. You should be able to live your life, you know, without fear, and just be strong in yourself and have the confidence in yourself. But anyways, I'm gonna do the 25 push-ups. Here we go. All right, so there we are, folks, and have a great and awesome Monday.